So the event was the Digital and Advanced Manufacturing Special Interest Group, focusing on AI and how we can use it in our industrial environment.
I thought it was really absorbing, good sort of practical tips on how to leverage AI personally to make us all efficient in our own jobs. But also we got into data and AI adoption, so quite broad, and so very thoughtful and also of practical use.
We had 3 speakers to bring sort of different perspectives to AI use cases, adoption, how the data is being used, and then more of a broader business sense.
The presentations were very good, some new principles, some software to go and look at, so some methodology as well, which was really useful.
What we brought into this session, which was unusual, was the round tables, which I think was very effective. An opportunity for everyone who attended to talk about the presentation, answer some other questions that it stimulated, and share back to the room what the discussions were.
The event was really good. The round table discussions were excellent.
We could talk to people that have different backgrounds in the academia and industry with the different domains and everything. So I would recommend this event for anyone that's who is interested in AI.
I really enjoyed the event. I think it helped me get some perspective, and I would definitely recommend the event.
What was brilliant was people have come up and said, this is what we're going to do. So taking some actions from the event today and taking it into their business, because that's what we set it up for, so we can actually make a difference.